Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking a reliable ad blocker and installing it now. I recommend uBlock Origin for most users because it's lightweight and effective. Once installed, pin it to the toolbar so you can access settings quickly. Make sure to grant only the permissions the extension requests and avoid unknown forks. After that, open the extension's dashboard to confirm it's active and serving default filter lists. At this point, you've taken the first proactive step toward blocking ads on websites. Now you dig into configuration. Enable extra filter lists for privacy, annoyances, and locale-specific rules so fewer ads slip through. Use the element picker to remove persistent banners and cookie banners on specific sites, then create a cosmetic rule to keep it removed. If a site uses ad scripts or frames, add dynamic filtering rules to block third-party scripts by origin. Make sure to backup or export your settings once you're happy, because fine-tuned lists can be hard to reproduce from. Finish by testing across sites and pages. If ads still appear, clear the browser cache and reload. For broader protection, set up DNS-level blocking with a privacy DNS or modify the host's file to block known ad domains, which covers all devices on your network. If a site breaks, temporarily whitelist the domain or disable the specific filter you added, then report the issue. Troubleshooting tip: if content is missing, disable one rule at a time to find the culprit, and keep your whitelist minimal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.